Today, I bring you massive news from the Ghanaian mineral sector. The Ghana National Petroleum Corporation is kicking off its first ever exploration in the Voltarian Basin in 2025. This is a move that could unlock a massive treasure trove of oil and gas in the Volta region. This was announced at the 2024 Local Content Conference in Takoradi as the drilling project. It's a bold leap towards bringing the Volta Basin into the limelight, helping attain energy independence and economic transformation for the country. This latest exploration will create jobs as usual, boost revenue, and enable Ghana step up as an energy giant in the oil and gas front. I'll be breaking it all down for you in this video. The new and first ever drilling exercise happening, why it's so important, and how it's set to reshape Ghana's oil and gas sector. So be sure to stick with me till the end. You wouldn't want to miss this one. Before we delve deeper, however, be sure to like this video as it goes a long way to inform others, and subscribe to this channel as we bring you riveting content. Let's get into it. On October 2024, in Takoradi at the Local Content Conference and Exhibition, the spotlight was on the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation, Ghana's national oil company, as it unveiled a historic plan to drill its first exploration well in the Voltarian Basin, latest by the end of this year 2025. The massive onshore basin stretches over 100,000 square kilometers across the Volta region and beyond. It is poised to be Ghana's next energy frontier. Under government's leadership, the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation is shifting the gears from offshore fields like Jubilee to this untapped inland giant. The government, though not knowing what to expect, is betting big on the Voltarian Basin. It's like uncovering a hidden gem that could power Ghana's future. The leadership of the country, with serious muscle, are going to start this first ever exploration that's set to take shape. Why the Voltarian Basin, you might ask? It is a geological gold mine. The basin is a big deal as it's all about untapped potential. Spanning 40% of Ghana's landmass, this basin dwarfs offshore fields like the Tano Basin, which covers less than 70,000 square meters, 70,000 square kilometers combined. Its geological makeup, organic rich seals, thick sedimentary layers, and size of a working petroleum system screams oil and gas potential that Ghana aims to explore. Unlike offshore sites that fueled Ghana's oil boom since 2007, the Voltarian Basin has been overlooked since 1960s when the Soviet geologists first poked around. Now with over $160 million of investment in seismic data since 2005, the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation is ready to strike. There will be rigs rising across the Volta region soon, and the government is tapping into a geological gold mine, which is a brilliant move that has got everyone buzzing. This is a long-awaited breakthrough, and let's unwind on this, as the Voltarian Basin is a story that goes back decades. In the 1960s, Ghana teamed up with the USSR for its early surveys, spotting traces of oil and gas in boreholes, soil deposits near Dabuya. A known hydrocarbon marker hinted at riches, but political shifts stalled progress. Fast forward to 2005, when the EU and Minerals Commission, with its support, revived interest. The National Petroleum Corporation has sunk millions into seismic studies, mapping out subsurface structures and de-risking the basin. There is only one exploratory well. The P-Noase 1 was drilled in 1974, making the 2025 well a historic milestone. The Soviet geologists nodded in approval, as the government is picking up where they left off, and it's a masterstroke for Ghana's energy saga. This exploration is a game changer for Ghana's economy, as a successful discovery could create thousands of jobs for geologists, engineers, technicians, and even local laborers, especially in the Volta region's 460 communities. The Ghana National Petroleum Corporation is already hiring 200 locals for surveys, and more to come. The tax revenues and royalties could pump up billions into the budget, while foreign investment will flood in. With Ghana's oil output dropping 25% since 2019, the Voltarian Basin could diversify energy resources, cutting import reliance, as the project will be buzzing with jobs, roads improvements, school rising, as the government is building a future where the Volta region will thrive and its economy be dynamic. That's got everyone very excited to see the potential of this project. This first ever exploration in the Voltarian Basin could prove insurmountable. The sky is only the limit, as the GNPC is not waiting for foreign giants to lead. Through its exploration arm, Exploco, the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation is driving the Voltarian project, using advanced seismic tech to pinpoint drilling spots. This bold move ensures that Ghana controls its resources before inviting joint venture partners. Many Ghanaians already have the notion that the Ghanaian government doesn't negotiate well when it comes to our resources. Hence, they are finding the oil and gas themselves, drilling it, and also making demands after they've confirmed everything. Since it is hard to make deals when you are not sure whether the minerals are actually in commercial quantities, hence this project taking shape. Approvals from the Ministry of Energy are locked in, and a licensing round is on the horizon to attract investors. The government strategy is to build expertise, then scale up with partners. This is pure genius. The Ghana National Petroleum Corporation team are already crunching the data, as the rigs will be ready to roll in anytime soon. The government is empowering Ghana to finally own its energy destiny, and it's all about the project that's about to commence. This project is sure to lift the Volta region into a state of abundance once it's completed. Not just drilling for oil, it will be uplifting communities. The Voltarian Basin spans 13 districts, and GNPC is already investing in schools and infrastructure to win local support. Unlike offshore projects, the onshore drilling impacts communities directly. So the National Petroleum Corporation is compensating farmers and engaging with the chiefs like Yana Abukari II, as a successful find could turn the northern and savannah regions into economic hubs, attracting global businesses. This could transform communities as kids will be schooling, farmers with better markets, and the government is ensuring that the Volta region shares the wealth, and it's a brilliant plea for inclusive growth. Now let's appreciate the government for going through with this project, especially with the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation leading the charge. This is delivering on promises that will make Ghana a thriving country, and with projects like this, it's sure to take shape. The government has been really making strides in the mineral sector. Now this is to support the big wings of the country. The Voltarian Basin is the latest bet to make Ghana an energy powerhouse, aligning with all the government's economic plans. The Takrady announcement was the perfect stage, as it aimed to rally investors and locals alike. It was inspirational to the crowds to see GNPC leading the charge. The eyes are on the Volta region of Ghana now, that this yields the much needed results. The president of the country is also optimistic to see this project go through. Ghana's oil sector needs a boost after 27% production drop since 2019, and the global energy demand is also spiking. The Voltarian Basin, the rigs data makes it a hot prospect, and Mahama's 2025 budget prioritizes energy as well. This is a win-win scenario set to make the country one of the most affluent in the energy sector, and this is the next big play. The exploration is more than just the well, as it's a revolution. A Voltarian oil boom could diversify Ghana's economy, reducing the reliance on offshore fields like Jubilee. Jobs, infrastructure, and energy security will ripple nationwide, lifting rural communities and urban centers. This is the government's vision, pairing with renewables and youth empowerment. This will create jobs across the country. What do you think of this first ever exploration of the Voltarian Basin in the Volta region of Ghana? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Smash the like button, as it helps inform others on the transformative projects happening right here in Ghana, and also subscribe to stay informed on all the happenings. Check out this next video on other impressive projects happening right here in Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.